Today I'm going to show you how to polish the headlights my way. It's kind of easy. All you need is 1000 grit sandpaper, clear coat. The rest is work. Oh yeah, and you need water. Let it dry, see where you're at, and then if it looks like that, you probably want to keep going until it looks even. Just be careful not to sand the paint. You can tape it off. Probably a good idea to tape it off. So once you let it dry, it looks hazy like that. That's what you want. Now that I have it taped off, I'm going to do 2 light coats followed by a medium coat, at least 10 minutes apart, 10 to 20 minutes. Fairly light coat, not too light, not too heavy. Okay, now for the second coat. Spend about 15 minutes. Okay, last coat. I hope this is enough. Alright, it's been about a half hour since the last coat. Well, it's not factory finish, but it looks like I sprayed it with a spray can. But it's clear. Just notice something. Does that say H7 and H11? There you go.